Hello, in this video I will show you how to enter factory mode on OUKITEL WP20. So you have to start with powering off your device by using power button. And when your device is powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And when device logo pops up on your screen, you can let go of the power button. And when your screen goes back, just press volume down button. And now on your device you should see factory mode, and here you have to navigate using power volume down button, and you can confirm your choice by pressing power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.